how to delete a workspace in Slack. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack in your web browser and sign into the workspace you want to delete. Ensure you are the primary workspace owner, as only they can delete a workspace. 2. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner, then select Settings and Administration, followed by Workspace Settings. 3. Scroll down and find the option labeled Delete Workspace. If you don't see this option, check if you have the necessary permissions. 4. Before deleting, make sure to export any important messages, files, or user data. Once deleted, a Slack workspace cannot be recovered. 5. Click Delete Workspace and enter your password to confirm. Slack may ask you to type a verification code sent to your email. 6. Confirm your action by clicking Yes, delete my workspace. This will permanently remove all channels, messages, and members from Slack. 7. After deletion, notify your team that the workspace is no longer accessible and direct them to an alternative communication platform if needed.